Welcome to BidAllies.com. Today, we're excited to show you how to use our intuitive Quick Order feature. To get started, head over to the Quick Order section from the navigation bar. This feature is designed to let you effortlessly filter, export, and import large orders in just a few clicks. You can filter products based on categories, carriers, condition, price range, availability, and more. These filters help you narrow down your choices, making it easy to find exactly what you need quickly. Once you've applied your filters, it's time to export your selection. With one click on the Export List button, you can download your filtered results or the full list if no filters were applied. Adjust quantities offline in the Excel file as needed, perfect for reviewing and organizing your order before finalizing it. Have your product SKUs ready? Use the Import List feature to upload your list of items and quantities in seconds. Simply select your CSV file, and the system will instantly load your selections into the Quick Order grid, saving you time and hassle. Once your list is loaded, review your selections to confirm the pricing, quantities, grades, and any kitting options. Make any final adjustments if needed, and when everything looks right, just click Add to Cart to prepare your items for checkout.